South Pointe Park Pier. Hey folks, so this is our last day in Key West, our last morning. We head back to Miami today. We'll be spending the night there and then heading back up to Alabama.
Where are we now?
We're Coral Gables, which is just outside of Miami.
Is it Miami? Is traffic jam?
Miami's a city. Currently in Miami. Alright folks, so little statistics of Miami. Miami has about 500,000 people. However, the metropolitan area, which includes Broward County, West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, is over 6 million people. Miami is known for the NFL team, the Miami Dolphins, also the Miami Heat, which is the NBA, National Basketball Association. Miami has a large port called the Port of Miami, of course, which has all the major cruise lines. You know, you name it, Royal Caribbean, Carnival, MSC, Norwegian. Between Miami, Fort Lauderdale, you can get a cruise to anywhere in the Caribbean and over to Europe. Miami is known for people with Cuban backgrounds, and the reason for that is just because of the number of Cubans. About 1.5 million Cubans immigrated between 1960 and 1994. So there's a large Cuban population. There's also a large Caribbean population. So that's Haitian, Jamaican, just people from the Caribbean, large population of that as well. Beautiful place to visit, especially Miami Beach, which is where we're going now. Let me know what you think of Miami, especially if you've been. All right. Say hi. Where are we at? Where are we at?
We are at the Miami Beach.
Miami Beach. That's right. All right. This is South Pointe Park Pier. South Pointe Park Pier. Where all the cruise lines, goods and everything come in from, right there, in and out of. Get a 360 of the area. In Miami, and there's this little robot just rolling down the street.
You know, I don't even really know.
I haven't seen that before.
Because it seems like every time I get ahead,
So after getting caught in a massive downpour and then making a quick stop at Ross Dress for Less, we decided to head on to our hotel. And so we're taking a scenic route along Collins Avenue in North Miami Beach, or also known as Florida A1A.
Know what I mean? One unique, one special friend.
So for dinner, we went to Doral, where I took Sunisa to Kuba Cabana, where to try some authentic Cuban food. And they also had a singer that sang nice Cuban ballads, and it was pretty nice. Check it out. So for dessert, we ordered the Ay Mama Inez, which is a coffee-flavored dessert inspired by Cuba's favorite beverage. That's right, coffee. And also a song originally sung by Rita Montaner in 1922, a version which was made famous years later by Bola Nieve. And you see a very distinguishable coffee cup used by Cubans of the past. We're at, what is this, Doral Center, and these are the restaurants that are around, and we ate there, Kuba Cabana. That's where we ate. So we checked out of our hotel in Hialeah and got on the road, and we just went north on the Florida Turnpike, 95. We made a stop in St. Augustine just to see that area. It was actually a pretty cool town. Just the architecture, the old Spanish architecture. Haven't seen that before in Florida, so that was kind of cool. And then we continued on to Tifton, Georgia, then continued on into Alabama, and we stopped in Auburn and checked out the university a little bit. It was my first time in Auburn. Beautiful little university. Auburn Tigers go. In Alabama, you're either an Auburn fan or a University of Alabama fan. So those are the major institutions in Alabama. I mean, there's other smaller ones, but those are the main ones that people support. Auburn University. Let's go see more of the campus. Stadium. This looks like maybe, I don't know, basketball.
It's huge, huh?
Herbert Finley Recruiting Center. It's like a nice university. So after doing a drive-through of the campus of Auburn University, we got back on the road and continued north along interstate through Birmingham all the way to Huntsville. All right, folks, made it back, and this is how many miles we went. 2,000 310 miles this entire trip down the Key West and back. Now I got 32,190 miles on my car. Ended up being a good trip, right, honey?
Yes, I really enjoy myself. Thank you, honey.
All right. All right, folks. So this is the third and final video of our Florida road trip series where we went down to Key West and back. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and so you can see the next ones. Until then, see you later.